Hello, history scholars. Mrs. Olson here. Today's lesson is one of our beginning lessons on ancient Greece, and that is to study some vocabulary that is directly related to the ancient Greeks. So our learning target says define vocabulary terms for our upcoming lessons on ancient Greece. Now, before we get started with the lesson, the entry task is, I'd like you to draw me a picture of anything having to do with Greece. So whatever is in your head about Greece, even if it isn't ancient, I'd like you to sketch what is in your head about Greece. So maybe it's a map, it could be food, or anything having to do with ancient Greece, if you know a little bit about what happened during those ancient times. Okay, so if I were you, I would pause the video right here so that you can take a minute or two to draw whatever's in your mind about Greece. Okay, now this vocabulary assignment is just like all of the vocabulary assignments that you've had. So you're going to use a search engine like Google or Bing to find an online dictionary. Now, if you have a book dictionary, that's great. You can use that too. But if you don't have a dictionary at home, then you can pull up an online dictionary. And the one that I have pulled up is justadictionary.com. So what you do is scroll to page 2, and you type in each of these terms. So I think I did 9 for Greece. I think it's 9. So you type in monarchy, and let's see what we get. Okay, so it says, there we go. It says a state or nation in which the supreme power is actually or nominally lodged in a monarch. And then the second definition that they provide is supreme power or sovereignty held by a single person. So you take that definition and write it in the dictionary definition column here. And then in your own words, I would like you to explain what that definition means to you. So some of you have done a great job with putting these into your own words. So kudos to you. Some of you need a little bit more help, and perhaps you can use the thesaurus to help you find other words that mean the same thing and is used in the definition. So what I mean by that is, instead of using the word supreme, let's go to the thesaurus and type in supreme instead of using the word supreme. Even though it's 6th grade, most of us are going to know what supreme means. You have a whole bunch of other words that more or less mean the same thing as supreme, and you could use this in your own words in that column instead of the word supreme. So, what is everyday language that you might use instead of supreme? Most of us don't go around talking and using the word supreme. Oh, that is a supreme sandwich. Most of us are going to say, that is a great sandwich, or that's the best sandwich that I've ever had. So maybe best? How about excellent? Some of us might say excellent. Marvelous. Maybe we're feeling a little bit dramatic. We might even say, that was the ultimate sandwich I've ever had. Okay, so you get the idea. So, in this column, you are taking what you have written in the dictionary definition column, and you're putting that definition into your own words. And if you need help finding other words that mean the same thing that would sound more like you, remember it is perfectly okay to use a thesaurus to help you. So, I used dictionary.com for my dictionary definition, and to help me there is this tab that I can directly go to thesaurus to find synonyms or words that mean the same thing. So remember to complete both columns for all of the words here, and those words are monarchy, polis, acropolis, aristocracy, oligarchy, tyrants, democracy, alliance, and assimilation. So once again, this assignment is designed to help you understand terms that are related to our upcoming lessons about ancient Greece. All right, guys, go to work. Ask me questions if you have them. Bye.